Hello friend, my name is Sunil. Today I am going to discuss about chapter 2 that is Atlas Orthotics. इस चैप्टर में हम जानेंगे ऑर्थोटिक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में कौन कौन से प्रोफेशनल इन्वॉल्व होते हैं और किन किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. Let's start with the introduction. Writing a prescription for an orthosis is one element of the large process of the rehabilitation. It includes evaluation, assessment and formulation of the specific treatment plan. The patient is evaluated and managed by the team of the professional called orthotic team. ये ध्यान रखना है आपको. The ortho team include करते हैं 5 member: patient, physician, certified orthotist, physical therapist and occupational therapist and certified ped orthotist. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. अब जो भी हमारे टीम मेंबर होते हैं ऑर्थोटिक टीम के, उनके बारे में पढ़ते हैं और उनके रोल के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. रोल ऑफ द फिजिशियन: perform the medical evaluation including the chart review, history and the physical examination. Explain the diagnosis and prognosis to other team member. Alter the team of the special consideration including skin issue, weight, wearing limitation, vascular disease and spasticity. Establish restriction of the treatment program to prevent complication or danger to the patient. ये ध्यान रखना है. Assess and manage the patient's pain control and psychological status. Write prescription for the orthotic device, therapy program and the medication. Regular monitoring and the long-term follow-up of the all component of the treatment program. Share knowledge with the other team member. ये सारे रोल्स होते हैं फिजिशियन के. Role of certified orthotist: prescription in participate in patient evaluation and the generation of the orthotic prescription. Act in consulting role to provide information on device design and the material option. Educate the patient regarding the device. Fabricate the device to prescription specification. Deliver and the check device fit and function. Modify and repair orthosis if and when appropriate. Follow up with the patient and team member. Share knowledge with the other team member. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. Role of physical therapist and or occupational therapist: participate in the patient evaluation, particularly as related to the functional ability such as transfer, ambulation, stairs climbing and assistive device. In addition to assessment of the other durable medical equipment such as the wheelchair and bathroom equipment. Participate in generation of the therapy prescription. Provide the therapy program which may include strengthening range of motion, ambulation, wheelchair, mobility, self-care activity, proper use of orthotic device and share the knowledge with the other team member. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. Now role of certified ped orthotist. Participate in patient evaluation with the particular attention to the patient's feet and footwear. Participate in generating the prescription for the appropriate footwear. Work cooperatively with the orthotist to provide the footwear and appropriate modification to the footwear. Educate the patient, especially to the diabetic patient, on footwear and foot care. Share knowledge with the other team member. Now the role of the patient: convey appropriate information to the team member. Listen and learn. Follow the team recommendation. Comply with the treatment program and proper use of the orthotic device. Follow up with the team, particularly if complication or the problem related to the orthosis or function occur. Now the evaluation of the patient: physician and the orthotist should spend some time evaluating both the history and the physical examination of the patient. History include the initial presentation of the disease, trauma or problem, the course of the disease to date, and the other treatment applied. The impact of the disease on the patient's current functional status and the patient's expectation or functional goal should be discussed in detail. A review of comorbid condition that may impact orthotic management should be addressed, specifically diabetes, neurologic disease, vascular disease, visual impairment, or head dysfunction. Physical examination of the patient should include assessment of the strength, range of motion, sensation, tone, skin integrity and the presence of edema. ये इवेल्युएशन के टाइम पे आपको ध्यान रखना है कि पेशेंट के अंदर जितने भी इवेल्युएट कर सकते हैं आप वो अच्छे से करना है आपको. नाउ द टर्मिनोलॉजी ऑफ द ऑर्थोसिस एंड द राइटिंग द प्रेस्क्रिप्शन. ऑल ऑर्थोसिस शुड बी डायग्नोसिस डिजाइन डेजिग्नेटेड यूजिंग ISO acronyms. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द जॉइंट्स एंड द और बॉडी सेगमेंट इन्वॉल्व सच एज AFO और एंकल फुट ऑर्थोसिस और WHO फॉर रिस्ट हैंड ऑर्थोसिस. ठीक है, ये ISO एक्रोनिम के अकॉर्डिंग आपको नेम रखना है. द प्रेस्क्रिप्शन शुड इंक्लूड द स्पेसिफिक अबाउट द मटेरियल एंड द स्पेशल डिज़ाइन. जो प्रेस्क्रिप्शन में स्पेशल मटेरियल के बारे में लिखना है और डिज़ाइन उसका कैसा होगा वो भी लिखना पड़ेगा आपको. लोकली एक्सेप्टेड एपोनिम्स मे बी यूजफुल एज एडजेक्टिव. जो लोकली एक्सेप्टेड जो एपोनिम्स होते हैं वो भी यूज़ किए जाते हैं एज अ एडजेक्टिव टू फर्दर डिस्क्राइब द डिज़ाइन सच एज द मियामीज जे स्टाइल सर्वाइकल ऑर्थोसिस. एपोनिम्स अलोन शुड बी अवॉइडेड. खाली आप ना एपोनिम्स नहीं लिख सकते, ये ध्यान रखना है, बिकॉज दे डोंट प्रोवाइड द कंप्लीट एंड द एक्यूरेट description of the device. Other general description terms such as the term static, dynamic and the progressive may be helpful in the creating the orthotic goal. ये other जो term होते हैं वो भी आप लिख सकते हैं जो स्पेसिफिकली बताते हैं कि कैसा डिज़ाइन होगा, क्या फंक्शनल गोल होगा उस चीज़ का. The orthotic prescription is the actual document that clearly define and summarize the medical issue related to the patient and the specific of the orthotic device. The patient name, date of birth and the other identifying information should be clearly printed at the top of the prescription. The medical information should be specific and directly related to the functional deficit or reason for the orthosis. The resulting disability or handicap should clearly stated and the prognosis related to the disease should be included. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. A typical disease as diabetes, peripheral neuropathy and the associated disability noted. जो इसके साथ associated disability है उसे भी आपको नोट करना है. The name of the orthotic practitioner or orthotic company should be clearly marked on the prescription for both the patient's information and for the physician documentation purpose. The main body of the prescription should include detail of the orthosis starting with the basic ISO acronyms using the universal terminology. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. Each segment or component of the orthosis ideally should be described. Those descriptions should include generic material specifications such as the thermoplastic metal or the carbon fiber and specific description of the joint control to be used. The range of motion or limitation at each joint should be indicated. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. Specific features such as tone, reducing contour or inversion control, extension should be included. The final prescription should be sufficiently detailed that all certified orthotists should create a custom orthosis offering the same biomechanical function. Each prescription should include the physician's name, signature and the handwritten date. If the physician assesses the patient independently and is uncertain of the best orthotic design to accomplish the orthotic goal, then the physician should send the patient to the orthotist फॉर कंसल्टेशन एंड द एवोल्यूशन। अगर कोई फिजिशियन असेसमेंट नहीं कर पा रहा है ढंग से, अनसर्टेन है, किसी चीज़ में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, तो वो डायरेक्टली ऑर्थोटिस्ट के पास भेज सकता है पेशेंट को टू इवेल्युएट एंड द कंसल्टेशन के लिए। ये आपको ध्यान रखना है। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये प्रेस्क्रिप्शन, यहाँ पे सब कुछ नोटेड है, नेम है, एज है, डेट ऑफ बर्थ है, सेक्स है, सब कुछ जो नाम है, डिसेबिलिटी कौन सी है, सब कुछ क्लियरली है। ये आपको सब कुछ ध्यान रखना है। यहाँ पे सिग्नेचर, ये आई थिंक क्लियर है इमेज। ओके, thank you. If you have any query, you can send email and also WhatsApp on my number. Thank you.